Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got something a little bit different for you. I spied something very similar to this on another creator's channel. I didn't see her unboxing, I just saw the finished article and I was obsessed. So she wasn't in the UK, but I did some Googling and on good old Amazon managed to find a similar item. So this will come under my casual crafts kind of section of my unboxings and creations. This is it's listed as a Cutebee doll's house miniature with furniture, DIY dollhouse kit plus dustproof and music movement, 1/24th scale, creative room, gift, idea, elegant. It's one of those where they name it everything under the sun so people will find it. Set me back $26.99, but did have Prime next day delivery. So hopefully all will be well with it. And what we're essentially hoping to get is something that as my husband described as a kind of like an IKEA display house. So that's sort of what we're going for. So let's have a look and see what we get. I hope that the instructions are clear. We will see. Obviously I'll pop a picture on the screen of what it'll all look like when it's finished, because it's going to be some time before it looks like that. I'm just going to leaf through and see what we've got here. So oh gosh, how do I show all this without losing things? Right, let's just be methodical about it. It looks like, oh, it's a bit dusty. So bags seem to be labelled. This one says B1, B3, B2, B4. So hopefully that will relate to things that are in the instructions. So these all seem to be wooden pieces that are pre-cut. I'm not going to open these for fear of losing something. There are some very tiny pieces in there. This is, I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this is, these are probably bits for the windows. This is like a protective coating, so I think this is the perspex sheeting. Again, we've got frames. Maybe something to do with the stairs there, I'm not really sure. It'll be really interesting to see how it all comes together. I'm just going to pop these bits back into the bag they came in. And then we'll have a look at the next lot. It is good that everything's all bagged separately in its own little groups. So, oh, we've got a music box movement here. That has got some screws, which I guess are to fix it under the house, in the house. Where does the key go in that bit? No. Aha, on the bottom. Let's see if I can get this to work. I've no idea what song it plays, if it works at all. Right, that definitely does go on there. That does sound very familiar. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, interesting. I'll just pop that to one side while it plays out. But yeah, it's giving me kind of Studio Ghibli vibes. I'm not sure whether it actually is from there or not, but we will see. Maybe I'll see if I can get the computer to figure out what song it is. Maybe it will say in the instructions when we get to them. Okay, just pop you away with the screws and things. So this box, bag rather, this seems to have slightly more fabricy things. We've got a little toilet there and some flowers. Got lots of different bits of material. So don't know what these are all going to be used for. I guess cushions and things. Got the bed, of course, as well. That green looks like it might be wallpaper. Wow, lots of really interesting beads and things in that one. And in this one, shells, beads, all sorts. We've got little pineapple, goodness, watermelon slice there. A little coffee cup. So some things are pre-made. Bag of stuffing. Now this is the lighting, which is little LED lights. The kit does not come with batteries or glue, and it says that when you order it, that to do with shipping and stuff, that's why it doesn't come with those things. And then we've got some silvery paper and a sheet of clear acetate. So again, just going to pop all these back in here, and then we'll look at the next bit. So this is the sort of thing where I'm itching to get started, but I know that if I rush into something like this, I'm going to do something wrong. So I think this is going to be a nice ongoing project over the summer, probably. Or maybe I may even save it till the winter and use it as something, you know, to keep me busy. So these appear to be the main pieces of the house. These are a sturdy sort of MDF, medium density fiberboard. We've got some more organic glass dust plate, DIY to assemble their own happiness. So yeah, so I assume that that's to make the perspex sort of box to protect it. Maybe a base plate. Okay, so we're getting into the final bits now. Okay, so what's this one? Okay, so this is all of our bits that we need to cut out in order to make little things like books, magazines, posters for the walls and such. So those are all there. And then this must be our instructions. So yeah, so this is what it's going to look like. So we've got a kitchen diner with a lounge, and then upstairs bedroom, bathroom and a study area. So yeah, that's very cool. I like it a lot. Hopefully it will turn out as well as I hope it will. And then right, so we've got instructions in English and in their original language, so I really appreciate that. that should make things a lot easier. I was thinking I was going to have to sit here with Google Translate, but it looks like they've already got me covered. So this is a list of everything. That we receive. So yeah, you can see these are all the bits, all the different beads and things. And then it talks us through individually, step by step. It puts me in mind of the sort of Lego instructions where you just follow along step by step by step, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you can't go wrong. So this is great. I can't believe that, like, you make the sofas and things. I really wasn't sure exactly how involved it was all going to be. We've got, this is making little tiny apples. This is going to be great, but it's very involved and is not going to be, this is not something you do in one day. Maybe a weekend if you're really dedicated. But yeah, what I'm also hoping from this is that I can gain some inspiration and ideas on how to make some of the miniature elements themselves, and then can introduce that into other crafts that I'm doing. So yeah, this is going to be cool. I am excited, trepidatious. Hopefully it's all going to turn out okay. As I say, it was $26.99, but I think for everything that you get, with it coming with the Perspex dust cover, the music, the lights, yeah, it seems to be a good price. What I will point out here is not to confuse this with a child's toy or a dollhouse of that nature. This is a display house, more in keeping with the sort of book nooks that you've seen people have on their shelves. It's not something for playing with. So I wanted to show you this before I got started. I don't know how much of the process that I will film, depends when I get started on it, but certainly I will do some check-ins either here or on Instagram and let you know. And of course, once it's all finished, we will come back for a post review. So until then, if you enjoy my content, please do consider leaving a like. Why not subscribe? Become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.